Good morning, students. It's your Deva Miss who is ready to take your physics class. As I have promised you in the last assignment that we will do the question answer of page 38 and 39. So let's begin the class. Let's begin the assignment by doing the question answer. I hope you all are fine, staying safe at home, right? Yes. So let's begin the question answer. We will begin with evaluate your understanding, that is recalling ideas. Select the correct option. The motion of fingers of a person playing a tabla is, the correct option is B, that is repetitive. Repetitive. Next is, what type of motion does a potter's wheel have? The correct answer is B, circulatory. Third is, the motion of the moon around the earth is, the correct option is periodic, number B. Fourth is, the SI unit of speed is meter second to the power of -1 or meter per second. If a body, number 5, if a body starts moving from rest, what is its initial velocity? Its initial velocity is 0 meter per second. Wow, what is happening? All the answers are option B only, isn't it? What is the rate of change of displacement called? Again, the correct option is number B. Next, number 7. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Yeah, now I got the option A, that is distance. So from right from 1 to 6, the correct option, it is just a coincidence. The correct option comes to B, and number 7, the correct option is A. Alright. Now let's do the fill in the blanks. If a body changes its position with respect to surrounding, it is said to be in motion. Next, if a body does not change its position with respect to its surroundings, it is said to be in rest. The negative acceleration is called retardation. Number 4, one complete to and fro motion of pendulum is called one oscillation. Number 5, number of oscillations executed by the bob of a pendulum per second is called frequency. Next is true and false, and correct the false statement. So here we will see which is the false statement and we will correct it. Flickering of eyelids is an example of circular motion. This statement is false. The correct statement is flickering of eyelid is an example of repetitive motion. Is an example of repetitive motion. Next is, the motion of a flying kite is repetitive. This is again a false statement. The correct option is, the motion of a flying kite is curvilinear. The motion of a flying kite is curvilinear. The length of the seconds pendulum is always kept at 10 meter. This is again a wrong statement, false statement. The correct statement is, the length of a seconds pendulum is always kept at 1 meter. A body moving with constant velocity will have zero acceleration. This statement is true. The weight of body on moon is 1/5 of its weight on the earth. It is again false statement. The correct option is 1/6 of its weight on earth. When a moving body finally stops, its final velocity is always more than 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second. The correct option is when a moving body finally stops, its final velocity becomes 0. Its final velocity becomes 0. I hope you all have understood this. So this you will write in your fair copy. Next is match the columns. Motion of stone dropped from a roof of a house. Correct option, it matches with C, that is translatory motion. Motion of blades of a fan when it is switched on, it is circular motion. Motion of string of guitar when plucked. Correct answer is vibratory motion. Distance, correct match is cannot be 0. Next, velocity. The correct match is vector quantity. Next, acceleration. The correct match is meter second minus 2. Alright? So this you will also write in your, this is not needed to write in the copy. Now pick the odd one out, give scientific reason for your answer. Table, chair, flying bird, tree. Flying bird is the odd one. Flying bird is the odd one, and correct option, and the statement goes like this. Flying bird is in motion and whereas other three are in rest. Flying bird is in motion whereas other three are in rest. Merry-go-round, charkha, wall clock, potter's wheel. The correct option is the odd one is wall clock, and the correct statement, the statement for is wall clock possesses periodic motion. Wall clock possesses periodic motion, whereas other three does not possess periodic motion. Next is weight, acceleration, speed, velocity. The correct option, the odd one is weight. Weight is a force, whereas other three are related to the motion of the body. Next, distance, displacement, mass, area. Odd one is displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity, whereas other three are scalar quantity. Oscillation, amplitude, frequency, book. The odd one is book. Book is stationary object. Book is a stationary object, whereas other three are the term related to simple pendulum. This you will write down in your copy. Now answer the following in one statement. What is a simple pendulum? What type of motion does it have? It is a system of heavy point mass suspended to a string by rigid support. It has periodic motion. Next, what is meant by term average speed? The total distance traveled by an object in total time is called average speed. Next is, what is weight? The gravitational pull of Earth on an object towards its center is known as its weight. What is the acceleration of body moving with uniform velocity? The acceleration of body moving with uniform velocity has zero acceleration. Can a body have constant speed as well as variable velocity? If yes, give one example. Yes, a body can have constant speed as well as variable velocity. For example, a car moving around a circle with constant speed. A car moving around a circle with a constant speed. Next is define the following terms. This you will do on your own. Write at least 4 to 5 lines. Refer to the pages where it is given and try to set an example for each if possible, and this should reflect in your fair copy. So, define the following, answer the following in one statement, pick the odd one out and correct the false statement you will write in your copy. Till then, this is your assignment for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.